Good morning. Good morning. Hello. 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 Good morning. You are welcome to the Goal Regional Championship. Today, we bring you the final contest from the Central Region. In this contest, we determine who the champion is for the Central Region for the Goal Regional Championship for 2023. Will the school be Adisadel College? Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School. Mfantsipim School. Or St. Augustine College. Let's meet the gentleman who would Let's meet the gentlemen who will lead their schools on to victory. We would like the contestants to introduce themselves to us. We begin with Adisadel College. They are represented by
Yanka Michael Kwisi. Adipachamia Benedict.
Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School is represented by
Selu James. Mfantsipim.
Mfantsipim School is represented by
G. Godwin.
Amakumensa Christian Eboa.
St. Augustine College. They are represented by Best wishes to you, gentlemen. The Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. We also would like to acknowledge the support of CHAS in preparing these brilliant students to participate in this regional competition. This is a primetime production. I am Dr. Thelma Ohinieje. I am a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. Okay, gentlemen, so in this final contest, we have 4 rounds. We'll begin in round 1, as usual. In this round, I'll ask you a series of questions to test your knowledge of principles and concepts that you study, so coming from physics, mathematics, biology, and chemistry. If a main question comes to your school and you give me a correct answer, you'd have 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. The question becomes available to any of the 3 schools. The first school to ring their bell after I have ruled or after you've been belled out can answer. If they answer correctly, they'll be awarded 1 point. However, if the answer is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. If your question involves calculations, you have up to 30 seconds to give me an answer. If there are no calculations, I'll take your answer in 10 seconds. Okay. Does that sound good? Are you ready? Good. In this round, I'll begin with Adisadel College. The contest starts with a preamble to all the schools. Give the formula of the compound formed between the following pairs of species: and indicate whether it would be acidic, basic, or neutral in an aqueous solution. Assume all compounds are soluble in water. I'll take that again. Give the formula of the compound formed between the following pairs of species and indicate whether it would be acidic, basic, or neutral in an aqueous solution. Go with the assumption that all the compounds are soluble in water. Adisadel, your species are ammonium ion and sulfate ion. Yes, go ahead.
NH4. This is into a bracket subscript 2, SO4, and it will be acidic.
That's correct. Aggrey Memorial, barium ion, and acetate ion. Go ahead. So in this round, whenever you have an answer, speak into your microphone. Okay?
The salt will be basic, and the formula of the salt is given as BA open bracket CH3COO close bracket 2.
Yes, that's correct. Mfantsipim School. Strontium ion and nitrate ion.
The formula is SR, open a bracket, NO3, close the bracket, subscript 2, and it will be neutral.
Yes, that's correct. St. Augustine College. Aluminium ion and nitrate ion. Yes.
We have AL, open bracket, NO3, close bracket, subscript 3, and then it will be acidic.
That's correct. Another preamble. For point charge Q, located at 3J meters, find the electrostatic force due to the given point charge configuration. I'll take that again. For point charge Q, located at 3J meters, find the electrostatic force due to the given point charge configuration. Adisadel College, 125 nanocoulomb at negative 4I meters and 125 nanocoulomb at 4I meters, given that Q equals 5 coulombs. If you have an answer, speak into a microphone. A bonus. I said if you have an answer, speak into the microphone. A bonus, if anybody wants it for a bonus. Okay. Aggrey Memorial, and I've already said it. In this round, you don't have to wait for me to call. If you have an answer, speak into your microphone. Aggrey Memorial, 125 nanocoulomb at negative 4 I meters and negative 125 nanocoulomb at 4 I meters, given that Q equals 4 coulombs. Go ahead.
100 I Newton.
No, that's not correct. A bonus. Okay, Mfantsipim. 375 nanocoulomb at minus 4 I meters and negative 125 nanocoulomb at 4 I meters, given that Q equals 2 coulomb. Go ahead.
180 newtons.
No. A bonus. St. Augustine's College, 375 nanocoulomb at minus 4 I meters and 125 nanocoulomb at 4 I meters, given that Q equals 3 coulombs. If you have an answer, speak into the microphone.
Okay, so we have in a bracket. Okay, so we have in a bracket negative 160I plus 150J, all in Newton.
No, a bonus. Okay, so St. Augustine's, your answer was 216I plus 324J newtons. Mfantsipim, 288I plus 108 J newtons. Aggrey Memorial, 288I. Adisadel, 270 J. Everything, all are in newtons, okay? Okay, a preamble. Find a relation between H and K of the form H squared or K squared equals. If the point P, which has coordinates H or H, K, is equidistant from, I'll take it again. Find a relation between H and K. I want you to give me the relation as H squared equals something or K squared equals something. If the point P, which has coordinates H, K, is equidistant from Adisadel, the point A with coordinates 3, 0, and the y-axis. Adisadel. I can't accept it. A bonus. Yes, St. Augustine.
We have k squared equals 6h minus 9.
That's correct. Aggrey Memorial. The point B with coordinates 0,4. The point B with coordinates 0,4 and the x-axis. If you have an answer, speak into the microphone.
So we have h squared. H squared is equal to 16 minus 8k.
That's not correct. Yes, Mfantsipim School.
H squared is equal to 8k minus 16.
That's correct. Mfantsipim, the point C with coordinates -2, 0 and the y-axis. Yes, go ahead.
K squared is equal to -4 minus 4h.
Yes, that's correct. St. Augustine. The point D with coordinates 0, 5 and the x-axis. Yes.
So we have h squared equals 10k minus 25.
That's correct. A preamble. Name the plant source of the given fiber. Name the plant source of the given fiber. Adisadel, sisal, or S-I-S-A-L. Yes.
Coconut.
No, a bonus. Aggrey Memorial, Kapok, K-A-P-O-K. Yes.
Cotton plant.
No. A bonus. Mfantsipim, jute, J-U-T-E. Yes. Go ahead.
Cotton plant.
No. St. Augustine. Coir, C-O-I-R. Yes.
Coconut.
Oh, I haven't even heard your answer.
Found from the coconut plant.
I'll give you 1 out of 3. Okay. So, the sisal is from the agave species. Kapok is from the Ceiba pentandra. Jute, Cocorus species, and the coir from the Cocos nucifera, or coconut. I was asked to give you 1 mark if you mention the common name of the plant. Okay, so it's here. So I was expecting that if you didn't even know, you say kapok plant, jute plant, for 1 mark. Okay. A preamble. Give the name of 1 branched alcohol that can be formed from the compound with the molecular formula C5H12O. I want each school to give me 1. I'll take that again. Give the name of 1 branched alcohol that can be formed from the compound with the molecular formula C5H12O. They should have 30 seconds for this question. Yes, Adisadel.
2-methyl-2-butanol.
That's correct. Aggrey Memorial.
2-methyl-1-butanol.
That's also correct. Mfantsipim School. Mfantsipim.
So we have 3-methyl-2-butanol.
That's correct. St. Augustine.
So we have 2,2-dimethyl-1-propanol.
That's also correct. So the last alcohol was 3-methyl-1-butanol. A preamble. Find the exact magnitude of the acceleration of. Find the exact magnitude of the acceleration of. I would accept if your answer is in a third, okay? Adisadel, a 5-kilogram particle on which a 140 Newton force and a 105 Newton force act if the angle between the forces is 90 degrees. And when you are ready, speak into the microphone.
(84 meters per second square).
That's not correct. Yes, the bonus is St. Augustine.
35 meters per second squared.
That's correct. Adisadel College. A 4-kilogram particle on which a 5 Newton force and a 6 Newton force act if the angle between the forces is 60 degrees. Go ahead.
So we have the acceleration to be root 91/4 meters per second squared.
That's correct. Mfantsipim. A 2-kilogram particle on which a 4 Newton force and a 3 Newton force act if the angle between the forces is 60 degrees.
A fraction with numerator root 37 and denominator 2, all that in meters per second squared.
That's correct. St. Augustine. A 3-kilogram particle on which a 15 Newton force and a 36 Newton force act if the angle between the forces is 90 degrees. Go ahead.
We have 13 meters per second squared.
That's correct. A preamble. Find the set of values of k such that the quadratic equation. Find the set of values of k such that the quadratic equation. Adisadel College. X squared plus bracket open k minus 2 bracket closed x plus k minus 3 equals 0 has distinct real roots.
Yes, getting full. How will I put it? Yes, so x is such that x is greater than
Are you sure? X is k is such that k is greater than 4.
No. A bonus to Mfantsipim School.
K is such that k is a real number where k is greater than 4 or k is less than 3.
No. Okay. Aggrey Memorial. X squared plus kx plus the expression k plus 3 equals 0 has no real roots. Go ahead.
So k is such that k is a member of all real numbers where negative 2 less than k less than 6.
Yes, that's correct. Mfantsipim. X squared minus 2kx plus bracket open 2 minus k bracket closed equals 0 has real roots. Yes, go ahead.
K is such that k is a member of the set R of real numbers where k is greater than or equal to 1 or k is less than or equal to negative 2.
That's correct. St. Augustine. X squared plus 2kx plus bracket open k plus 2 bracket closed equals 0 has no real roots.
K is such that minus 1 less than k less than 2.
Yes, that's correct. So, Adisadel, for your answer, for that quadratic equation to have distinct real roots, k is such that k is not equal to 4. Okay. Our last set of questions for this round. Give one example of similarities between humans and other primates. So I want each school to give me one similarity between humans and other primates. We begin with Adisadel.
Okay. They have well-developed digits for grasping and
Yes,
holding.
I'll take it. Aggrey Memorial.
They have eyes located in front of the head for
They have-
vision. Eyes located in front of the
Yes, I'll take that. Yes, Mfantsipim.
They possess a well-developed backbone that makes them erect. They stand erect.
Okay, I'll take that as well. St. Augustine.
Okay, so they have a distinct head that's located at the anterior end, such that they are able to see around them, and they have bodily hairs around their body.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. And that is because, so the first answer you gave is sort of similar to an answer Aggrey had gone, but you went ahead to say other things. So there are so many of them. They have mobile limbs, they have nails. So lengthy gestation, well-developed brain, higher level of intelligence, so much more. You could have long lifespan, okay? That brings us to the end of round 1.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
1. The scores are Adisadel College, 9 points. Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High Schools, 15 points. Mfantsipim School, 18 points. St. Augustine's College, 20 points. That brings us to round 2. Round 2 is a speed race. And here, each question that is read out is open to all the schools at the same time. At any time when I'm reading the question, if you think you have an answer, you can ring your bell. I'll stop immediately and allow you to give your answer. If you are the first school to ring your bell and you give a correct answer, 3 points. A second correct answer is worth 2 points. A third correct answer, because the preceding answers are incorrect, is worth 1 point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. Okay. So our first question for the speed race. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 2 at the point x equals 2 on the curve. St. Augustine's College.
The equation of the tangent is equal to y is y minus 4x is equal y minus 4x is equal to 2.
No, never mind. It's even incorrect. And next time if you do that, I'll move on. Aggrey Memorial, your answer.
Y is equal to negative 12x.
No. Who rang the bell next? Adisadel.
X minus y is equal to 4.
Y is equal to 4x minus 6.
That's correct. So I'm sure you all realize that the stakes are really high. So if you ring the bell, it means you have an answer. You don't ring the bell and calculate whilst another school waits. Our next question. Given that sine A equals 2 on 3, find cos 2A. Yes, Mfantsipim.
1/9.
That's correct. Find the inverse of the linear transformation x comma y goes to 2x minus y comma 3x minus y. Adisadel College.
So the inverse is xy maps to negative x plus y, comma negative 3x plus 2y.
That's correct. What is the vacuum? What is the vacuum wavelength of the photon emitted in the 4p going to 2s transition of the hydrogen atom? Yes, Mfantsipim.
Okay, it's equal to 4.9 by 10 raised to a power of negative 7 meters. That's 490 nanometers.
I'll take it. Don't be letting me do mathematical calculations here, please. With respect to the hydrogen atom, what is the wavelength in air for the Balmer limit? It's coming. Have you rang your bell now? Okay.
366 nanometers.
No. Yes, Adisadel.
365 nanometers.
Yes. Find your bell is working. So the thing is, Okay. Find the average molecular speed of a gas at 300 Kelvin, composed of molecules each of mass 5.3 times 10 to the power minus 26 kilograms. .446 meters per second. Okay. What is the function of the P700 in the light Aggrey Memorial?
The P700 is responsible for absorbing light of wavelengths 700 nanometers for energizing the chlorophyll.
I'll take it. Our next question. What is the main difference between the spine of modern humans and apes? Yes, Mfantsipim.
The spine of modern humans is more erect than the spine of apes.
Yes. Actually, no. Actually, it's not correct. Who rang the bell next? Sorry. What happened? You are not done when I said, okay, continue. I'll let you continue. No, wait. I know what they said, so you continue.
The spine of modern humans is more erect than the spine of apes, in that the spine of modern humans is arranged in such a way that the base of the spine contains vertebrae that are much larger than the vertebrae.
No, it's not correct. So who? Yes. St. Augustine. Yes, St. Augustine.
Okay, so the spine of modern humans is straight and more erect, but the spine of apes has a curvature at the posterior end, such that it makes it seem have a more curved look, such that they have an arch look when they stand, but the humans are erect.
Sorry, hold on. St. Augustine, your answer again.
The spine of modern humans is erect, and the spine of apes is curved.
No, that's not correct.
It has a curve at the posterior end.
No, who rang the bell next? Adisco. They said they didn't ring the bell. Aggrey, did you ring the bell? Okay. Yeah. So this is the difference. Humans have curved spines and apes have straight spines. None of you said that. Initially, I thought Mfantsipim said it, but they had mixed it. They interchanged it. Okay. So our next question. In the history of human civilization, what was the chief source of fuel till fossil fuel? Yes, Adisadel. Answer.
Fire.
No. Who else rang their bell? Okay, till fossil fuel discovery. What was the chief source of fuel? Yes, Mfantsipim.
Wood.
That's correct. I would have been pained if this question was not answered correctly. Our last set of questions for this round. The pH of a saturated solution of Zn bracket open OH bracket close subscript 2 at 25 degrees Celsius. What is the solubility product of this ZnOH2 at this temperature? St. Augustine's.
So it's giving us 2 by 10 exponent negative 3 mole per dm cube.
No. Aggrey Memorial. Aggrey.
We have 2 by 10 to the power negative 2.
No. Did you ring your bell? Adisadel, okay.
5 by 10 exponent negative 13.
No. Did you ring your bell? Yes.
25 by 10 exponent negative 10.
No. So, Adisadel was the closest. And I'm sorry, 5.0 times 10 to the power minus 13. Okay. In a furnace, iron 3 oxide reacts with carbon to produce iron and carbon dioxide. What mass of iron is formed when 40 grams of iron 3 oxide is heated? Fe is 56 gram per mole, O is 16 gram per mole. Yes, Adisadel College.
28 grams.
That's correct. Our last question for this round. An ideal gas occupying a volume of 112.0 dm cube at a pressure of 148 kilopascals expands to 8 times its original volume. Determine the new pressure in the... Yes, Mfantsipim. Yes.
1,568 kilopascal.
No. Who else rang their bell? St. Augustine's College. You speak. Give me your answer. Yes? Okay, that's correct. You wait for the mic so that you speak. Try your mic again and speak into your microphone. The answer is correct, but let's all hear it.
18.5 kilopascal.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
0.0, but the consultant said I should give it to them, so they have that. Okay. So that brings the scores. That brings the scores at the end of round 2 to Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School, 16 points. Adisadel College, 18 points. St. Augustine's College, 18 points. Mfantsipim School, 24 points. Before we go on to round 3, we would make a substitution for St. Augustine's. Before we go on to round 3, St. Augustine's College would like Fifi to come on for Enoch. Round 3. So in this round, I'll make a series of statements to each school. And what I want the contestants to do is to tell me if the statement I make is true or false. If they answer correctly, they will be awarded 2 points. If the answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. If they decline to answer or they are bailed out, another school can ring for their question for the same rules. 2 points if correct, -1 if your answer is incorrect. In this round, all eyes on me, okay? No communication with the crowd. And I'll begin with Aggrey Memorial. Aggrey Memorial Zion. The frequency of an electromagnetic wave in vacuum is greater than the frequency of the same wave in glass.
False.
Yes, it's false. Mfantsipim. The speed of light in glass depends on the wavelength of the light. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. St. Augustine. The wavelength of an electromagnetic wave in vacuum is smaller than the wavelength of the same wave in glass.
True.
Yes, it's true. Adisadel College. The frequency of an electromagnetic wave in vacuum is smaller than the frequency of the same wave in glass.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. Given that f of x equals sine inverse of x, then given that f of x equals sine inverse of x, then Aggrey Memorial, -1 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 1. So based on the preamble, tell me if the statement I give you is true or false.
False.
Yes, it's false. Mfantsipim. 0 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to pi on 2. Into the microphone.
False.
Yes, it's false. St. Augustine's. Minus pi on 2 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to pi on 2. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. Adisadel. -1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1.
True.
Yes, that is true. Aggrey Memorial. The greater the current passing through an electrolytic solution, the faster the rate of electrolysis.
False.
No, it's true. Mfantsipim. Electrolysis is commonly used in the production of sodium and aluminium.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. St. Augustine. Electrolysis can only occur when the electrolyte is aqueous.
True.
No, it's false. Adisadel College. Electrolysis may be considered a reversible process.
True.
Yes, it's true. Aggrey Memorial. Look at me. Look at me. Hardwood. Hardwood is a category of lumber classification.
True.
Yes, it's true. Mfantsipim. Hardwood is a category of commercial forestry classification. Go ahead.
It's true.
Yes, it's true. St. Augustine. Softwood refers to wood from angiosperms.
False.
Yes, it's false. Adisadel College. 35% of the world's forest area is dominated by softwoods.
True.
Yes, it's true. A preamble. A fixed quantity of ideal gas undergoes an isothermal process. A fixed quantity of ideal gas undergoes an isothermal process. Aggrey. The internal energy of the gas remains constant. Look at me.
False.
No, it's true. Mfantsipim. The entropy of the gas remains constant. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's correct. St. Augustine. The work done by the gas is proportional to the natural logarithm of the ratio of final to initial volume of the gas.
True.
Yes, it's true. Adisadel College. The work done by the gas is independent of the temperature of the gas.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. Aggrey Memorial. The base angles of an inscribed trapezium are congruent? Go ahead.
True.
Yes, it's true. Mfantsipim, a parallelogram inscribed in a circle is a rectangle.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Augustine, in a circle, if a diameter bisects a chord, then it is perpendicular to the chord. Yes, it's true. Adisadel, in a circle, congruent chords are equidistant from the center.
True.
Yes, that is also true. Aggrey Memorial. Alkali metals have low electron affinities due to their high nuclear charge and large atomic size. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Mfantsipim, electron affinity is always an exothermic process.
It's false.
Yes, it's false. St. Augustine's, electron affinity values generally increase across the period from left to right and decrease from top to bottom.
True.
Yes, it's true. Adisadel, noble gases have high electron affinities because of the attainment of a full outer shell based on the octet rule.
False.
Yes, that is false. Aggrey, anaphylactic reactions are limited to food allergies.
False.
Yes, it's false. Mfantsipim, food aversions can cause rapid drop in blood pressure.
True.
No, it's false. St. Augustine, penicillin is allergenic to some people.
True.
Yes, that is true. Adisadel, food allergies are easy to diagnose.
False.
Yes, that's correct. That brings us to the end of round 3.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy.
Before we go on, there are a few protests I'd like to address. So the first protest is from Aggrey Memorial. So in the question about the gases, I asked for an isothermal process of a gas, an ideal gas, I think. Let me just check to be sure. The internal energy remains constant. Yes. And then Aggrey said it's false. And I said it's true. So I've spoken to the consultant, and this is, when I read that out to him, this is what he said I should tell you, that it is very wrong, and it is bad physics. And that the internal, so let me just explain. The internal energy of an ideal gas depends only on temperature. If there is a change in pressure, it would always be balanced by volume, so that the internal energy remains constant, okay? So that one cannot be accepted. Mfantsipim School also sent a protest, and this is what. On that note, the scores at the end of round 3 are Aggrey Memorial Zion, 26 points. St. Augustine's College, 28 points. Adisadel College, 34 points. Mfantsipim School, 37 points. Round 4. So here we determine who is the champion of the Central Region in 2023. We are going to determine this based on 4 riddles. I'd assist the contestants to solve the riddles by reading out a series of clues. At any time, if you feel you have an answer, ring your bell. I'd allow you to give your answer. If you give me a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You just stay out of that particular riddle and come back for the next one. So I'll start our first riddle. I am a natural product. I am obtained from several tropical plant species. The Europeans first encountered me when they saw bouncy balls being used in sports. Adisadel College.
Rubber.
That is St. Augustine's College, and it is correct. 3 points. Our next riddle. I am a compound statement. I am formed from 2 simple statements. I am true only in one. Yes, St. Augustine's College.
Implication.
No. Who rang the bell next? Yes.
Conjunction.
Into the microphone.
Conjunction.
That's correct. 3 points. Our next riddle. I am a branch of physics. I am actually a subfield of electromagnetism. I am concerned with the generation. Yes, St. Augustine's.
Electricity.
No. Aggrey Memorial.
Electromagnetic induction.
No. Anybody else rang the bell? No. So Mfantsipim and Adisadel. I am concerned with the generation, transmission, detection and applications of light. Students first encounter me in the study of mirrors. Adisadel College.
Optics.
That is correct. Our last riddle. Our last riddle. last riddle. I contain reactants and products. I also contain coefficients. Yes, Aggrey Memorial.
Balanced equation.
No. I may be used to estimate the amount of product from a given amount of reactants. I usually contain symbols. Yes, Adisadel College.
Chemical equation.
That is You won in 2022. At the end of round 4, the scores are Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School 26 points, St. Augustine College 31 points, Mfantsipim School 37 points, Adisadel College 43 points. So with that score, Adisadel College wins this contest, and once again, they are the Central Regional Champions for the Aggrey Regional Championship. Adisadel College, well done. So they came from the back gradually and won this contest. Well deserved, congratulations. Better luck next time to Mfantsipim School St. Augustine's College, and Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School. You gave us a good competition right to the end. The GOIL Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL, with support from Joy News. This is a primetime production. My name is Thelma Ohineje, and I'm your quiz mistress. Thank you and see you soon.
Hello. Let's settle down for the presentations, please. Let's settle down. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's settle down for the presentations. Let's settle down for the presentations, please. So to Aggrey Memorial for placing fourth in the Central Regional Championships, you earn 1,000 Ghana cedis. Can they be joined by a teacher from Aggrey Memorial? The contestants on stage, can they be joined by a teacher? Okay. Very well done to Aggrey Memorial Zion Senior High School for placing fourth in the Central Regional Championships. Congratulations. Next, we have St. Augustine's College, who placed third in the Central Regional Championships, and they earned 2,000 Ghana cedis. St. Augustine's, can you be joined by a teacher? St. Augustine's. A teacher from St. Augustine's College. I know. Yes, intentional. I'll post the score without it. Congratulations to St. Augustine's College. Next, we have Mfantsipim School. We have Mfantsipim School for placing second in the Central Regional Championships. They earned 3,000 Ghana cedis. Mfantsipim School kindly be joined by a teacher on stage. They fought a good fight, but it wasn't to be theirs today. Congratulations to Mfantsipim School. And finally, to the Santa Clausians from Adisadel College for winning the 2023 edition of the Central Regional Championships. They earned 4,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, they are the defending champions. So congratulations to Adisadel College. It wasn't an easy battle, but they sailed through. Congratulations once again to Adisadel College. Thank you all very much. The Central Regional Championships has been really exciting, and we hope you bring the same energy to the National Championships. Thank you very much once again, and you all have a safe journey back to your various campuses. Very well done to you all.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Go Oil, good energy. Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP RON 95. Goil, good energy.